For more than 30 years, Close Up has partnered with tribal nations to offer programs that focus on the issues affecting Indian country. During the USET Impact Week Youth Summit, youth will have interactions with fellow USET youth, tribal leaders, and delegates that enhance the understanding of the relationship between tribal nations and the U.S. government and the role of USET and Native American advocacy.
The value of Close Up and kids coming to Washington, D.C. is extremely important for parents for a few reasons. One is Close Up does a great job of really building confidence and character in kids. And, we see many leaders today that were Close Up kids. It's not just coming here and seeing some monuments and doing that type of stuff, but they get a really full, comprehensive understanding of not just the challenges within Indian country, but also the challenges in addressing those issues as well. And really is a great platform for kids to become future leaders.
I believe teachers and parents should know that here at Close Up, we're taken care of. We have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We meet tons of new people. They look after us. They keep us safe.
I think teachers and parents should really let their kids come here. It's an amazing experience. You get to learn about the city itself. You get to see monuments that you may never get to see in your life. And also being able to make new friends and meet new people that you would never see before.
I've gone on a lot of field trips and gone to a lot of places, even with my tribe, to colleges and powwows and stuff like that. The Close Up program is probably the safest that I have been on. Y'all take really good care of us, and y'all make sure that we're safe and that we don't feel uncomfortable.
At Close Up, we meet dozens of children from different tribes. We build bonds with them, and it really does make us better people, not only just us, but our entire group.
I'm leaving here with the ability to voice my opinion and to be proud of who I am and know that I am loved and fought for and someone that is cherished and worthy of that care and that fight.
During this 7-day, 6-night program, students explore current issues facing Native Americans, the rights and responsibilities of dual citizenship, and the complex relationship between tribal nations and the federal government. While discovering Washington, D.C., and meeting with tribal leaders and the USET Board of Directors, students get an inside look at the American political system. Visit closeup.org to learn more.